name is Carloscar Tovar. I'm a web developer and web designer in San Antonio, Texas. And today I'll be comparing Webflow, website builder, versus Strikingly. I made a video about Strikingly a few weeks ago, and I'm trying to add more content as I have free time from projects to work on this and try to help other people choose the best website builder for what they want to do. So I was playing around with Webflow, and it's really good. It has more options than Strikingly, and I'm going to show you. Let's open first this website I made as an example. It's pretty affordable. You can have a free subdomain in the free option. And the first site that you create with Webflow, the first example they give you, is this this page showing the structure or showing a tutorial on how to use Webflow and how the structure of a web page is constructed. You can see the visual aids it has when you put your cursor on an element, the pointer. You can see the description of what that is. You have here a pre-heading, the main heading, H1, a P tag paragraph, and so on. When you click, of course you can edit, but this is really interesting. On the right sidebar, you have a lot of options to customize the look and feel of the element you selected. If we compare to Strikingly also has that options, but it's not a lot. It's simpler. I will say Strikingly is more focused on beginners, on users that have just a simple need to create a website and just simple edit capabilities. And Webflow is more for the power user, for the professional user. You can see all the options that you have. Of course, if you have the time and the patience to learn all this, I truly recommend using Webflow. So this first page that Webflow presents is a quick tutorial, not only of their website tool, but also how a website is made. You learn coding here too, a little bit of HTML and CSS, which is the language codes we use to code the front end or the look and feel of a website. All these, the div, the h2, all these are HTML tags. It actually here mentions also the CSS code. You have here two examples, two buttons, and tells you how to style it. So you can click both and then see on the right the differences. You can see this button has a blue text. You can see the border. It has a border. It has a hover, like an on mouse change when you put your mouse on. You put the mouse over the button, it changes colors. All this you can do just changing the options on the right. I like this tutorial. You're going to learn. If you have time and patience, you're going to learn a lot. And of course, you don't have this in Strikingly. Strikingly is if you want to just start editing, you don't need to learn about HTML or programming. You just want to get started and start creating something for your company. Strikingly is a better option. In my other video, I show you how to create a website with Strikingly, and we started with the templates. Webflow also has templates. Let's create a new site so you can see. This is the dashboard. This is the website already created. I'm going to create a new one. Click on new site and you can see the templates. It looks like some templates are paid and some others are free. So this is the difference with Strikingly. Strikingly, all the templates were free. Let's go back to the previous page. I'm trying to look for the free templates. It makes sense they won't charge for templates, but makes more sense if you're trying to sell a subscription to your website builder to have something that you can give the user, so it's a motivation to pay for the monthly fee. Anyway, the free templates are good enough. You got great looking options. Let's use this one. So we select the template, we name it, and create it. Webflow uses its magic and creates this. Is the same editor we were using, of course, and we can start editing with the same options on the right to customize the look and feel. You can see if you select a different element, the options are different. Of course, they change. Some are the same. For example, the margin. You have here 20 pixels at the top. You can see with this, with the blue area, you can see the 20 pixels, and the bottom you can see 10. That's why the top it's bigger. You can of course increase or decrease. Let's make it the same. So you see now they're the same size, 10 and 10. And you can customize every little detail. So you have a template as a side page ready to go and to start customizing. This feature is pretty cool. You place your mouse on the screen and then you can see a preview. It's a little aggressive on the eyes, I think, but it's useful. So let's select this one. You click and that's it. Pretty simple. and we can continue editing the site. Clicking on the gear icon is what gives you the options to replace the image. So let's say I want to cancel. Right. Yeah, that's it. Because I didn't click on any image to replace it, so it just goes back to the original. For some reason, I see is scrolling by itself really slowly. I don't know why. That seems like a bug. This kinds of weird when I'm scrolling. It has that weird movement. I don't know if is the builder or the template. It looks weird. Here on the left you have the navigator. You have more options here. You have the option to add new elements or layouts. Symbols let you reuse content in your design. Okay. This is the navigator. You can navigate to all the elements that are forming your page. You can see the outline. This is neat. Pages. You can create new pages here. And folders. I wonder what folders is for. CMS collections. So Webflow, it's like I said at the beginning, is really powerful, more powerful than Strikingly. This is for e-commerce. Let's turn your website into store. This is weird. Enabling e-commerce will create e-commerce collections, pages, and settings that you won't be able to completely remove. So if you're choosing to transform into an e-commerce site, it seems like there's no way to reverse it. And this is the assets or the media library, and these are more settings. So once again, to me, Webflow is for the power user. If you have the time and the patience to learn Webflow, do it. This is the most similar you'll have to a professional website made by a professional developer. And let's compare the plans. So if you want to pay for a plan, you have these options. $12 a month is not too bad. Trying to see the templates are included in one of the plans, and it seems they're not. So you have to pay the monthly and then the one-time fee for the templates, the ones that are paid. And compared to Strikingly, with Strikingly the templates are free, and you start from $8 a month, billed yearly. Of course, there are some options that are different. Each website builder has a different way to provide their offer, their options. But it's affordable. Either if you pay 12 or 16 a month versus 18, 16 a month, these are affordable. The 49 a month, it just seems excessive. And also the $36 a month. So my conclusion is this: if you have the time, again, I'm repeating myself, you have the time and patience and want a professional website builder that you can use, you want something long-term that you're going to learn and you're going to be using for a long time, go with Webflow. If you don't have the time, you want something quick, something that you can just copy and paste your content and copy and paste your images, and that's it. You don't want to be customizing every little detail of the design, then go with Strikingly. All right, so I hope this is useful. I'm going to continue making more videos. If you have a website builder that you want me to do a review, or you want me to compare to another website builder, leave me a comment in the comments section. And if you like this, consider subscribing and pressing the notification bell. This is going to help me with the YouTube algorithm. And I'm beginning this. I'm learning. I'm new. And thank you for your support, for watching this video. And if you like it, of course, share it with your friends. And that's it. This is Carloscar Tovar from San Antonio, Texas. Website design, website development in San Antonio, Texas. And I'll see you next time.